The rise of Agent Hospital, world's first fully AI-powered healthcare hub.
Imagine walking into a hospital where there are no human doctors, no nurses rushing through corridors, no waiting lines. Instead, you are greeted by AI-powered doctors specialized in every field of medicine, ready to diagnose, treat, and manage your health with lightning speed. Sounds like a futuristic sci-fi movie? Well, it's not fiction anymore. It's called Agent Hospital, and it has already come alive at Tsinghua University in China.
This isn't just a hospital. It's a glimpse into the future of medicine. Let's dive into what makes this place extraordinary, the benefits it brings, the challenges it raises, and why you should care about it. Structure and staffing. 42 AI doctors, 21 specialties. Agent Hospital isn't your regular clinic. It's a fully automated, AI-driven medical center built with a team of 42 AI doctors across 21 specialized departments. From cardiology to dermatology to neurology, there's an AI doctor trained and dedicated to each specialty. These AI doctors are not just answering basic health queries, they're diagnosing complex diseases, planning treatments, and even managing long-term care cases.
That's like having a superhuman medical dream team available 24/7 without ever needing coffee breaks.
Speed and efficiency. Treating in days what humans do in years. Here's where jaws really drop. In one simulation, these AI doctors handled over 10,000 virtual patient cases in just a few days. To put that in perspective, human doctors would take nearly 2 years to handle the same workload. That's the power of automation. While human doctors might spend hours with each patient, AI processes data at super speed, spotting patterns and prescribing treatments in minutes. Of course, that doesn't mean human doctors are too slow. It just shows that AI can take over the repetitive, data-heavy tasks, freeing up human doctors to focus on complex, emotional, and empathetic aspects of healthcare. Accuracy that competes with humans. One of the biggest questions people ask is, can AI really be accurate? Well, the results are promising. In diagnosing respiratory conditions using the MedQA dataset, the AI achieved an impressive 93.06% accuracy rate. That's on par with many skilled human doctors. Imagine if this level of precision could be scaled across millions of patients. Misdiagnosis rates would plummet, second opinions would become instant, and early detection of diseases could save countless lives. The tech behind the magic. So, how does Agent Hospital actually work? Each AI doctor is powered by large language models, the same kind of advanced brain that drives today's cutting-edge AI assistants. But instead of being trained on internet text, these models are fed with medical literature, research papers, journals, and textbooks, patient records, anonymized for privacy, and clinical data, real-world test results, trials, and case studies. This means AI doctors don't just guess, they pull from decades of medical knowledge within seconds. It's like having the world's biggest medical library stored inside a doctor's brain, available 24/7. Challenges and ethical dilemmas. Of course, it's not all sunshine and stethoscopes. The biggest critique is AI lacks empathy. Healthcare isn't just about curing, it's about caring. A comforting smile, a reassuring word, or the ability to hold a patient's hand through a tough diagnosis, these things can't be replicated by algorithms.
Other challenges include ethical concerns. Who's responsible if AI makes a wrong diagnosis? Data privacy. Can sensitive patient data be fully protected? Bias in AI models. If training data is flawed, AI decisions could also be flawed. Human touch. Healing is not just science, it's also emotional connection.
So, while AI hospitals may be incredibly efficient, they raise serious questions about trust, safety, and humanity in healthcare. The potential benefits. Despite the concerns, the potential upside is huge. Faster access, Patients in rural or underserved regions could finally get world-class medical advice instantly. Reduced errors. AI doctors don't get tired, distracted, or overworked, leading to fewer mistakes. Lower costs. Healthcare could become more affordable by reducing reliance on expensive hospital infrastructure. Time saving. Doctors could focus on research, surgeries, and empathy-driven care while AI handles routine cases. This doesn't mean AI hospitals will replace human doctors. Instead, they can act as force multipliers, allowing human doctors to do their jobs better and more compassionately. A look back, tech fears are not new. If all this still feels scary, let's rewind history. When computers were introduced into banks in the 90s, employees protested. They feared jobs would vanish. But instead, banking became faster, smoother, and new careers in IT, cybersecurity, and digital finance were born. The same happened in manufacturing with automation, and in media with the internet. Each time, people feared the end of jobs. Each time, new opportunities rose from the ashes of old ones. Healthcare may now be entering the same cycle, with AI not ending human medicine, but reshaping it into something more powerful.
The future, humans plus AI, not humans versus AI. Agent Hospital is not the end of doctors, it's the beginning of a partnership. Human doctors bring empathy, judgment, and moral responsibility. AI brings speed, memory, and pattern recognition. Together, they could redefine what good healthcare looks like. The future hospital may not be AI only or human only, but a hybrid where technology and humanity work hand in hand.
So, instead of fearing this change, maybe it's time we ask,
How can we train ourselves and future doctors to work with AI, not against it? Because the real prescription for the future might just be AI plus human equals healthier world.